Welcome to my backyard. This is my new project, an underground worm farm. And basically, you put a pipe in the ground with holes in it. The worms come and feed on the food scraps that you've been blended, and hopefully the worms move away and deposit the urine and worm casts where your plants can make good use of them. So I thought I'd have a go. So I've got my piece of pipe, 9-inch diameter, it's about 10 inches deep, bit of quarter ply from that skip find, if you remember, one of the battens that I didn't use on the grow house, and one of my trusty street lamps. So, for starters, I'll drill some holes. And here's one I've done earlier. This is my second attempt. The other one is actually in the ground up at the allotment, which we'll show you later in this video. I've not gone all the way to the top because how the street lamp sits into it. But these holes are a lot closer together and hopefully it'll work fine. The street lamp will sit in like that, and that goes down to roughly where the top set of holes are, and that's where I'll put the waste in. Right, let's make a lid. My original build didn't have a lid on, didn't really give it a thought, so I've marked round the top, just giving myself a few millimetres to play with. So we get a little bit of runoff. I've actually put a batten to let the water drain away. And I've marked that. And that will do the job. I've cut the slots out so that the lamp cover sits inside it, and if we don't have any problems with the wind blowing them off, that's how they'll be. Countersink in the holes before putting the screws in. That's all the holes drilled using a cone drill bit. The holes are about 10 to 13 millimetres. With this type of pipe, the ribs are hollow, so if you do break, you've just got to be careful you don't break into those ribs, else the worms might get in there and get lost. So that's my version of the underground wormery farm. Just basic stuff, pipe with holes in, a bit of a lip to put your food waste in, and a little lid just to keep the moisture content how we want it. I don't know whether it'll get too warm in the heat of summer, but that's what I shall have to monitor. Let's take it up to the allotment and get it in the ground. So this is my small salad bed at the top of the allotment, and I'm thinking if this system works, two will be plenty here. That one I popped in the ground 2 days ago, and I'm going to pop this one in the ground now. Just going to put some leaf mould around the outsides. I don't want to compact the soil too much at all. And a good shovelful of leaf mould in the bottom of the bin. Needs to be a bit deeper. So there's really good soil here, and that good soil's going right down to the bottom. That's better. Now it's time for the special mix. Looking at that, I'm going to need a bit more leaf mould in the bottom. All that. And what I am going to do, I'm going to rob some worms from the wormery, so we'll take you over there. So I've had a little bit of a dig down and got a few red wrigglers, and you see there's quite a few baby worms as well, and they are doing really well in here. Plenty of straw, cardboard, good insulation, and that one definitely wants to go back into the bin, which is a really good sign. So we've migrated forcefully some red wrigglers to populate this breed and hopefully attract other worms to this area. Let's have a little look in the other one, see if there's any activity. Can't believe that, look at that. Certainly enjoying that. There's more there than I actually migrated. So, really pleased with that. And we'll see if it works. If this actually works, I'll be putting these all over the plot. And that may do away with my compost bin. I'll blend absolutely everything, and I'll have these dotted all over the allotment. But we'll see how it goes first. See if it works. See if they can eat enough waste to make it viable. I've put some cardboard on top of the worms just to keep them in a little bit of daylight, night, keep it dark for them, keep the daylight out, and hopefully that will retain some of the moisture. I hope somebody's found this interesting. Even if one person gets something out of the videos I do for my video blog, then it makes it worth doing it. And if you want to get further updates, don't forget to take a little time to subscribe. Thanks very much, everyone, and take care till next time. Happy wormery. Or should I really say, happy worm farm. Take care everyone. Till next time.